Hello everyone, have you ever heard a brand called Lonex? It's a brand, and today they give us some new products, including the Gearbox version 2, the Gearbox version 3, and the Flash magazine. Let's see the Flash magazine first. This Flash magazine has the capacity is 360 rounds BB. The most different is the button. When you are trying to wind up the clockwork, just pull out the button, hold the little wire, and pull it out. Then you can easily wind up the clockwork easily and quickly. Besides, if you compare with the original magazine, you can see when you are playing on the sandy ground, this part will easily let the sands go inside the magazine and make your weapon jammed and make you killed. But this one it won't, because the button protects the magazine perfectly. Now let's measure the weight. What's the difference? Let's measure the original one. The weight is 178, and the Flash magazine, the weight is 226. Now let's see the original magazine. If you are trying to wind up the clockwork, you have to pull this gear many times, about 5 or 6 times, and this gear will turn around. But if you use the Flash magazine, let's see, we just need to pull out the wire and that will go around. If we pull all the wire, then you will quickly wind up the clockwork. Now let's put this Flash magazine to the field test. We load it with .2 BB. This is empty magazine. And now, remember, when you are using this magazine, keep this side up and pull the wire down. And we test this magazine with VFC HK416. Let's switch this to the full auto mode. And let's see. It's empty. So if you pull this wire 15 times, you can clean this magazine completely. It's a good magazine, and that will be useful in your war game. Now we are going to test this Flash magazine. Here are 4 AEGs. They are Magpul PTS, VFC, Marui, and G&G. We are going to see will they fit with this magazine. We'll test the PTS first. Okay, it works. Now the VFC. Okay, it works too. Now, the Marui. Okay. Now the G&G. God damn, I can't remove it! Apparently, the GNG can use the flash magazine, but we can't release it. Luckily, we got plenty magazine we can carry on our test. Now, let's use the last one, the KWA. It's a little tight. But it still works. Now let me introduce you the other products. This is a gearbox version 2. It is a totally metal box. It provides 8mm ball bearing. And the hard selector plate can work perfectly in high temperature condition. And the gearbox version 3 is also the full metal box and provides 8mm ball bearing. And it also provides a tippet inside the box. I know some of you noticed that there's a little pistol beside me. This is the smallest toy gun in the world. This is Marushin 6mm pistol. It's powered by gas. How to reload it? You push the bar forward and bend the barrel. You can see you every time you 6mm BB. And there's hop-up system fixed inside the barrel. After reloaded, bend the barrel back and turn the bar back. And inject the gas from the bottom. Let's shoot this one. Though it has 2 barrels, but every time when you are firing, it's just shoot 1 round from 1 barrel. The second round. Very cute, right?